In a stunning display of military precision, Russia's advanced SKAT 350M unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, has proven its worth on the battlefield, guiding a powerful strike that obliterated Ukrainian armored forces in the Sumy region. The Russian Defense Ministry released footage on August 12, 2025, showcasing the SKAT 350M's critical role in coordinating a devastating attack by Su-34 fighter bombers and Geran 2 drones against Ukraine's 144th Separate Mechanized Brigade. The SKAT 350M, developed by the renowned Kalashnikov concern, is a high-endurance reconnaissance drone designed for round-the-clock surveillance. Equipped with advanced optical and infrared sensors, it can detect targets in any weather, day or night. In the Sumy operation, the drone identified a concentrated formation of Ukrainian forces, including US-supplied M1A2 Abrams tanks and M2A2 Bradley infantry fighting vehicles. This rare clustering of enemy armor provided a prime opportunity for a large-scale strike, and the SKAT 350M delivered real-time intelligence to Russian command centers, enabling rapid and precise action. The strike itself was a masterclass in coordinated warfare. Once the SKAT 350M pinpointed the Ukrainian battalion's location, Russian forces deployed Su-34 fighter bombers armed with UMPK-500 precision-guided bombs. These bombs, fitted with the Universal Planning and Correction Module, allow for accurate strikes from safe distances. Alongside the Su-34s, Geran-2 loitering munitions, often referred to as kamikaze drones, were launched to deliver devastating blows from multiple angles. The result was catastrophic for Ukraine. Up to 50 personnel were reportedly killed, an ammunition depot was destroyed, and 10 foreign-supplied vehicles, including 2 Abrams tanks and 4 Bradleys, were reduced to wreckage. This operation underscores the growing importance of Russia's reconnaissance strike complex, where drones like the SKAT 350M act as the eyes of the military, feeding critical data to strike platforms. The drone's ability to loiter for up to 4 hours, operate in extreme temperatures from -45 degrees Celsius to +45 degrees Celsius, and quickly redeploy with minimal ground support makes it a game-changer. Its reinforced flying wing design and parachute landing system ensure durability, while advanced algorithms reduce operator workload, allowing for faster target acquisition and tracking. The SKAT 350M's rapid turnaround capability, ready for redeployment in just 5 seconds, means it can maintain relentless pressure on the battlefield. For Russia, the destruction of high-value NATO-supplied armor is more than a tactical victory. It's a powerful statement. The loss of Abrams and Bradleys, symbols of Western military might, reinforces Moscow's narrative that even the most advanced NATO equipment is no match for Russia's integrated drone and precision strike systems. The Sumy strike has been widely celebrated in Russian military circles as evidence of the country's technological edge and battlefield adaptability. Beyond land operations, the SKAT 350M's versatility extends to maritime roles. It has been deployed in the Black Sea to support anti-ship missile targeting and coastal defense, strengthening Russia's ability to control strategic areas. This multi-role capability highlights why the SKAT 350M is one of the most widely used reconnaissance platforms across Russia's front lines. Its production by Kalashnikov concern, a company expanding from small arms to advanced UAVs and precision munitions, reflects Russia's broader push to modernize its military-industrial base. The Sumy operation also carries strategic implications. By neutralizing a significant portion of Ukraine's armored forces in the region, Russia has weakened Kyiv's ability to mount effective counteroffensives. The strike showcases how Russia's investment in UAV technology is paying off, allowing it to dominate the battlefield through superior intelligence and coordination. Military analysts note that this approach, combining persistent surveillance with rapid, precise strikes, represents the future of warfare, where information dominance is as critical as firepower. While Ukraine has attempted to counter Russian air superiority with its own drone strikes, such as reported attacks on Russian airfields, these efforts have yielded mixed results. Russian sources claim that air defenses have successfully mitigated many such attacks, and the Morozovsk airfield strike in April 2024 showed no significant damage to Russian aircraft. In contrast, the Sumy operation demonstrates Russia's ability to execute deep, impactful strikes with minimal losses thanks to the SKAT 350M's precision and the seamless integration of air and drone assets. The success in Sumy is a testament to Russia's growing expertise in drone-guided warfare. As the conflict evolves, platforms like the SKAT 350M will likely play an even larger role, shaping the battlefield and reinforcing Russia's military dominance. For now, the images of burning Ukrainian armor serve as a stark reminder of Russia's technological prowess and unwavering resolve.
Долетаем почти далеко в район, для того, чтобы находить более укрытые